Hello guys, this is Features Onaji and I feel super amazing to have you here. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Chat ChatGPT software. So if you are there and you don't know what Chat ChatGPT is, well, Chat ChatGPT is a revolutionary artificial intelligence software developed by OpenAI that is meant to make our life easy for us, right? To make our life easy. So in this video, we are going to be looking at different industries and how we can leverage on this and what we can do with Chat ChatGPT, right? From generating content to answering our questions, or to even look at, we are going to even look at more advanced concepts, say in engineering, thermodynamics, solving very complex engineering concepts like Navier-Stokes equation, right? If you're a student, you can also use it to solve mathematical equations like calculus, differentiation, and the rest, right? So we are going to be looking at all that. Right, we're also going to use it to even create hard copies and all. So before going to doing all this, right, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, come on, what are you waiting for? You've got superpower and it's about time. Use it, smash the subscription button so that whenever I make awesome videos like this, you stand in the first position to watch and make more informed decisions. So now that I've done that, come on, let's go see what lies in store for us with this amazing software. Let's go. Hello guys, so here we are, right? This is the amazing ChatGPT by OpenAI. So this is the software. I'm going to leave the link in the description section. So all you just have to do is just click the link on. You can as well Google ChatGPT, right? And it will take you straight here. You just all it requires is to do is just create sign up with your Gmail, right, or your Microsoft account. As simple as that. So now let's write so let's start from content creation, right? So let's add ChatGPT like a question, like okay, like create, let's say create a blog post on how to rank on Google. So let's ask GDP if you can create this for us. So here you see there are many factors that can influence your website ranking on Google and other search engines. So now you can see that it's writing this, right? So this now, number one is say keywords, number two header tags, optimize your website heading, loading speed, then use alternative text for images and get high quality backlinks, then use descriptive and keyword to reach URL. So you see, so these are the option. So the thing is that if you are a content creator, there's no better time for you to generate content, but you can leverage on this, right, to create this. So when you get this, because the truth is that if you click on, a lot of people are going to be using this, right? So what you can just do is you can just use this and you get an idea and paraphrase this, right, to make it your content, to fit your brand or your tune. You can click on regenerate past and response. Is going to generate something. So you see that this is very good, right? Now a Google search algorithm is designed to deliver the best possible results to user search query. As a result, ranking highly in search results can bring a lot of good opportunities to business and all. So the thing is that this is a game changer. So for content creators, for social media managers, for copywriters and all this is a good, this it's like the bomb, right? Because it has come to make our lives easy. You can even tell this thing to even write business plan for it. So let it finish writing this. Let me ask him to write a business plan. So for copywriters, now write a business plan for a plumbing store. So here, so yeah, welcome to ABC plumbing supply. So this is the thing, yeah. Now where you see ABC, you can substitute that to your own plumbing, to the name of your plumbing company, and boom, you are good to go. So it gives you like the executive summary and so okay, write a business. So I didn't write it well, so let me just say write a business plan for a plumbing for a plumbing store. So you see, it will start from the executive summary, the finances, like the founders and all. So here, let's go, right? So let's see, write a business plan for a mechanic venture. So here, let's hit. So you see, it starts with the executive summary. So the executive summary: X Y Z Mechanics is a full service automated repair and maintenance facility. So you see, it starts from executive summary, market analysis, product and services, then the finances and all. So the thing is that this there's never a time in the history of world that you can just sit like in a second and this pops, like responses out for you like this. So this is a game changer for all creatives, right? Are you kidding me? It even comes with the financial plan. So you can, so there's no graph here, but then I think this is a good heads up for anybody starting, right? So it gives you like how to just start a business, and from here it will just guide you on what like the requisite component in writing a proper business plan. So this is super amazing. So let's take it a notch further, right? So let's go to like engineering, right? Let's take it, if you can solve like advanced engineering equations. So like if you have an idea in engineering, right? If you have this thing in mechanics, there's a topic called fluid mechanics, and one of the hardest thing is proving Navier-Stokes equation, right? So let's see if it can prove Navier-Stokes equation. So let's see. So now we are going to fluid mechanics now, right? Let's see. Proof. So let's ask him to prove Navier-Stokes equation and see. Haha, I bet he can't. So he's saying that Navier-Stokes equation are a set of differential equations that describe the motion of fluids such as water and air. Are you kidding me? Hey, this is mad. Yeah. Are you kidding? Wow, this is it. This is it. This is it. So this is a game changer for all engineering students, because wow, wow. So it's the it brought the equation and it defines all the constants and the variables here. This is just amazing. Let's regenerate response and see. Wow. So this can also solve any mathematical question from calculus to, wow, isn't this amazing? Well, I'm very excited. So you see, now as a student, this is a leverage for you. Instead of um like in case you want to do research, you can just ask ChatGPT to just give you a heads up and you can just take it from here, right? So this is super amazing, and we can even do more crazy stuff like in programming, right? Now let it finish and I will tell this thing to come up with like a code for a landing page, and you see what it's going to do. Okay, let's so you say that I can solve engineering problems, right? So let's go to programming. So so we write HTML, CSS and JS code for a landing page for a for an interior decoration landing page. Let's see if we can do this. Hey, damn! This is amazing. Wow. 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 So you see, like, so these are the headers, right? Now these are the pages. Like home services portfolio. This is awesome. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. So this is what I'm going to do, right? Let me see how the website looks. So I'm going to copy the code, right, and put it on VS Code and view it and see how it's going to look. Because I kidding me, it even put a form for us, like a footer, copyright. Wow, this is amazing. So this, let's see, this is so this is just HTML. Let's see the CSS. So this is just HTML code here. Let's okay. So this JS, let's see, no CSS here. So let's click on regenerative response. This is, do you know what this means for like programmers? That means they can then you can just copy code here. What this means is that, wow, what this means is that this will just help like make your work a whole lot faster, a whole lot faster, while transforming your space with our professional interior decoration services. Oh no, hell no, this is cool. So you see, like, you see the ID. Wow, this is cool. You see hover effect, look at styling. So you see this is the CSS, right? So basically it's using an inline CSS styling to do this, right? Wow, this is just amazing. This is just amazing. So guys, what are you waiting for? I think it's about time we start laying automation using ChatGPT and other material on other AI technology, because this is going to be the in thing. Wow. So let me copy code and see how it looks. So let me copy code. Let me just copy the code. Let me ask this. Okay, create an add copy. A copy for a web for a web design agency. Let's go. If it's going to give us add copy, so this, if you can do an effective copywriting, you can give us that for us. Wow, are you kidding me? So this is amazing. This is amazing. So it uses the principles of delight, engage, right, and convert. So this is it. It starts with an introduction. Are you looking to take your business to the next level with a professional website? Look no further than XY Web Design Agency. We are a team of skilled web developers and designers and developers dedicated in creating stunning, user-friendly websites that will help you stand out in today's digital landscape. Whether you need a simple brochure website or a fully customized e-commerce platform, we've got the experience and expertise to bring you. Hi, this is it. This is it. This is it, guys. So, guys, let's start making money. Instead of looking for somebody, understand, to do copywriting for you, what you just have to do, ChatGPT got everything for you. Wow. This is the good side, right? So as an entrepreneur, you have so much, to gain with ChatGPT. Right now it's totally free, but since it's owned by Elon Musk doesn't do anything free. So I think it's about time to just make so much money of it, because this thing is worth thousands of dollars, because it has the potential of doing so much. Let it go. Okay, let's see if you can write a story. Write a story that ends in, okay, write a story that has a happy ending. Now, so this is good, right? So let's see if we can solve. Right. Let's check. Wow, once upon a time there was a small village nestled in a beautiful valley surrounded by rolling hills and forests. The people in the village were kind and hardworking, and they lived simple but fulfilling life. One day, a terrible storm swept through the valley, causing a widespread destruction and leaving so many people without homes and all livelihoods. The villagers were heartbroken, but they refused to give up. They worked tirelessly to rebuild their homes and their community, determined to bounce back stronger. So this is epic, right? Wow, so this is nice. Let's look. Okay, let's see. What is 2 log 8? Hmm. Wow. So in mathematics, log is shortened for logarithm. A logarithm is a way of expressing how many times a number must be multiplied by itself to get another number. For instance, the logarithm of a to base 2 written as 2 log 8 is equals to 3. Wow. This is nice. This is nice. This is nice. So guys, you've seen it for yourself. Why are you waiting for? Start thinking how you can leverage on this to make money. Cheers. Love you. If you haven't subscribed, what? I brought you good news. What are you waiting for? Hit the subscription button, right? Cheers. Bye.